The DIPROFIL polishing machines from Joki impress with their high product quality. In addition to technical performance, the focus during their development was primarily on user-friendliness and ergonomics. The machines are particularly low in vibration. This ensures stress-free and relaxed working, even for long hours. Typical vibration-dependent health effects, such as joint problems or the classic white finger syndrome, are eliminated. The machine also fits very well in the hand and can be controlled precisely. The device's low noise level of less than 75 decibels also ensures the user's well-being. The filing machines have an adjustable stroke length of 0 to 6 millimeters and can therefore be used for small and large areas. The stroke length can be adjusted to the desired size in just a few steps. Depending on the model, the maximum number of strokes is 7 to 8,000 strokes per minute. This means you not only work precisely, but also quickly. In combination with various tool holders, a variety of filing, lapping, and polishing tools can be used. This makes the hand filing machines a perfect tool for grinding and polishing. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us or visit our shop.